Hi everyone! The Technology Engagement Center is a unique place that offers so much to the community, located in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. It provides access to computers and internet with multi-purpose room and 3 meeting rooms you can use. There is a vinyl cutter machine and 3D printers. After an orientation class from Ryan, I was able to print a hook for my camper. And there is a huge kid space. This is Kathleen, the branch manager, demonstrating the educational digital games. There are science kits for children to take home. The center also has Xbox, Nintendo, Lego, and inspiring posters. But the main reason I came back to this center is the Glowforge, a laser cutter and engraver. I was able to use it and create decorations for my camper. Here is how I made it. I first traced the truck camper in Procreate on my iPad, then uploaded the image to the Glowforge app, indicating what should be cut and what should be engraved. The app calculated it would take 6 minutes and 16 seconds, and all that was left for me to do was to push the start button. Thank you, Technology Engagement Center. I initially came to set up my new laptop looking for a quiet space with Wi-Fi, but ended up having so much fun. I wish there were more centers like this one around the country.